Because my PowerShell.
No, sir. I'm only seeing your Teams that says continue to use browser. You might have to drag it back to this same thing.
I don't understand.
I'm not seeing the PowerShell you brought up now.
It's here now.
I'm seeing the one that says join conversation with your Teams. That's what I'm seeing.
Okay. Let me go back. Are you seeing my laptop now? System now?
Yeah, I'm seeing your system is shared. So I'm seeing so the PowerShell I'm seeing Teams now.
What are you seeing now?
You have shared your Teams.
Okay, I want to start sharing again.
Okay, good.
So I'm sharing the old desktop. Did you see that?
Yes. I'm seeing the browser that says continue to this browser. So
okay.
So bring up the.
Do you see this one?
That black yes, I can see that. Then you have click on terminal admin.
Can you see it now?
Have you click on it?
So it's not sharing it. Okay.
It's not sharing. Maybe
I see that.
I don't know. You might have to drag it to this screen.
To which screen?
I don't know. How many screens are you using?
Okay.
Are you using
okay, hold on. Let me see if I can, because let me see if I can share. Maybe it's because the way I'm sharing it, that's why it's because once I click that are you seeing the one I'm sharing now?
Yes, I'm seeing continue on this browser. Then you are trying to open terminal admin, right?
Yeah, so when I click it now, it's asking, do you want to allow the app to make changes to your system? That's the what I'm saying now.
Oh, you just say yes.
Now you are seeing it. You should be seeing it now because I'm seeing it on my system, second system.
Oh,
hello?
Good. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay.
I can see it now. Okay, so this is your PowerShell. You understand now at the annotated level. So you need to install to use PowerShell. You can use PowerShell to basically they use it to administer or just control the whole of your computer. So there are always a script to do one or two things with your physical computer. That is why it's actually the phone Azure, you know. So you get they call it management tool. It's also a very strong management tool with its own scripting language. So now what this is saying is that from this your physical machine, you can connect to your Azure and be running those things that you run on Azure Cloud or Azure CLI or Azure Shell here too, without going to Azure. You get the idea now. So before you do that, you need to download a module called AZ module, because practically everything on Azure, everything on PowerShell becomes a module. So the module yẹn dàbí àwọn packages tí ó máa enable ẹ láti lè ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. Ṣé you understand? So
are you talking?
Oh yes, I want to send the first script to you. So copy from your charts. So what does this chart do? This chart, one thing they call it execution policy. That is, you want to execute some scripts, you know. So by default, one block is execution, you know. One block, you know. So but this should unblock it to say, okay, set execution policy to local machine. So normally, whatever you are running, run that. So let me see what to get. Press enter. Okay. So I think the execution policy. Yes, ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ṣe gbà tí mo ṣe AWS.
Oh, okay.
Probably, so, I might have done it.
Possible, which is better anyway. So run this one too. This one too, we set the security type to TLS.
I might have done this one as well.
Good. So now here is the script for you to install the module. From module, the name of the module, Azure AZ allow global.
No, Kulau. Okay. Mo fẹ́ rán ìwé nìyẹn. Yes. Right?
So click on yes, press enter.
I should press enter or I should click on yes.
You need to press enter now since it's a type. So my version download module.
Untrusted response.
You need to type letter A. Yes to all.
A?
Yes, sir. Yes to all. Capital letter A. So without this, you won't have the ability to connect to Azure portal.
Okay.
So certification download our packages in. Installing depending different AZ compute container, customer data bricks, data lake, data protection, data share, data everything on Azure. The way you go, this one thing.
What would be Azure migration?
Everything, every services on Azure, so that you can connect to all the services.
So she ChatGPT lè ṣe gbogbo ilé fún wa. Kíní ẹ̀.
The ChatGPT can help you, can provide the code that you will run. Understand?
Why is it there? No, who's the top?
So what's the top? So let's see. So just a minute.
No.
Today's 6th, 9th.
8. Today's okay. 9th. 8th. Kill the topic time, you know.
Just call it management tools, Azure management tools.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's connect to your Azure portal. So that's our, so anytime they have a low PowerShell from this point forward, you must learn to type connect dash account. So you're basically asking, we are connect to my Azure account.
So now, quick question. We need to PowerShell tó wà nínú Azure mọ́, tẹ́lẹ̀ ní màmá lò.
If you so desire.
Okay. I can use either, abi?
Yes, you can use it. So anytime you enter, you want to now use it from your machine. The first thing you will type is connect my Azure account, connect dash easy account. So now we have copied that.
Hold on, please.
Okay, copy our script. That's good.
You don't put kini now.
Which one is that? Use the
This
PowerShell.
code. This code is stuff for when. Okay, use this shell script. Need to copy it. Copy. Oh fuck. There's going to be a problem.
What was that?
I mean, not the password.
No, don't worry now. Put your email address there. Send email code.
Okay.
Email code to
Yeah, you. More.
remote.
So,
Yeah. You can sign.
okay.
Go back to the PowerShell.
Hold on, please. Subscription name. Azure subscription. Tenant ID. Oh shit, environment. Azure cloud.
Always subscription. Always set your subscription. Right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna copy. By now we have any script. So there's a
money, but I'm gonna even move it from that place and put it now. Think. Not this. Not this. I'm in trouble. Tèmi ti ṣíra mi léṣe báyìí.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Wow. Okay, Olele. So which one should I copy?
Yeah, okay, more
This
now.
this one
So
access my subscription, right?
the first one here is the bash script. The second one is so always know that ilé tó bá ti ní z níbẹ̀rẹ̀ is for bash script. Ilé tó bá ti ní set, something like set, get, set, get.
This is mine, right?
Command the PowerShell, yes. So copy that.
I need to move it away from here.
No, if you back, copy as it is.
Yeah. Okay. I think to maximize itself. Yeah.
Should I run there?
What's wrong there? I be take a show man.
Okay. No, I'm saying. So
I have a question, a personal question. Are you okay today? You seem tired.
No, I'm with you.
No. If you're tired, I can understand. We can just do
No,
it and do rest.
I'm not even, to be sincere, I'm not so much time answer for you. I'll tell you on time. Okay, so of course that is how I think the first script I run has shown your subscription. So let's assume that you need to get your subscription. This is the script to run.
Okay.
Copy. Let me copy it again. Check it. Get
This will get subscription, right?
AZ exactly. So share the PowerShell or similar. Get set reset get. Command. But for CLI, the other one is this, is that, is that. Why ever download, ever create VM, is a VM. Budget storage is a storage. Budget
so storage is working on because storage GTA AWS S3 don't be.
The storage is storage is so alone get a subscription. Now you see the same subscription.
Enabled. Okay. PowerShell. Yes.
So now the next one, let's create a resource group. How's the script for creating a resource group?
I put it there.
Yes, I have.
Why to fight Sally?
No, delete everything. So you need to first of all, you can see that you need to provide the name of the resource group and the location of the resource group. Delete para. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter again. Okay, so it's okay. So I'll paste to see maybe your name or anything so that you can correct that. So now,
that's true.
New dash is a resource group. The name. So provide the name of the resource group. So remove that name and create a new resource group. Telephony training, okay, whatever.
Training RS. Training RG.
Training RG. After letter RG. So I remove our bracket. Then. So location will be what?
Yes, that. Canada.
We just use East US. Type East US. So that we don't.
One word that make full space.
No, one word. So now you're learning how to do scripting. Yeah. So remove the brackets. So type you get familiarity with it. So with the JSON script, with the PowerShell script, CLI script, so it's easier for you. So when you get a job, these are some of the things you're going to be dealing with. So it doesn't look like nobody knows anything. You understand? So copy. So yeah, I want to run PowerShell. Right click and paste. Press enter. Close up. Succeeded. So now do okay. So now do upper arrow key. Upper arrow key. So remove everything. No. Remove everything except new. Press delete like that till where you have name. It's okay. No.
Just I have new now.
Name.
Okay, I thought you said new.
So it's okay from that group. It's okay like that. Delete the name. Delete the dash. So now I move your CBC new. So remove the new and put get there. So capital letter GET. Capital letter G, small letter ET. So when you wanted to create a new resource group, you use new Azure resource group, Abi, and you provided the parameters. Now you want to get what you have inside your Azure resource group. If you look up very well, okay, MRE get Azure subscription. And you see the similarity.
Okay.
When you look up again, you see your set Azure in context.
Azure context, yeah.
If you look up the first one, you see connect dash Azure account. So
Okay.
you can see the similarities in how this formula is now. So press enter from here now. So clear notice.
Okay. What to suffer me before? Cloud storage data is succeeded. Azure policy. Wait, oh. Wow. North Central US succeeded. Network Watcher Group. Subscriptions. Cloud share storage is US. Azure policy. Ooh, resource group name. Azure policy. But should be just group last calculate. Why is he seeing all these things?
Yeah, those are your resource groups now. There are some things that are by EWO.
By default.
Jerry training RG last one. You go like create right? You don't allocate Azure policy. You create Azure can create the policy guy as a resource group. Do you remember?
Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hey, Baba. Wow. Yeah. All right, sir. Sure. Let me come back.
Oh, okay.
I do come out movie. My class look. Oh, down, yeah.
Okay, ṣé ti understand bẹ́ẹ̀? This training RG
Yeah.
later create sísìn. Azure policy ní resource group that create nígbà tá create.
Yeah.
Now your cloud shell storage is the storage account téèyàn bá create téèyàn bá fẹ́ lo PowerShell àti bash script ní that cloud shell. Ìgbà tí mo share screen lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn when I was about to only create storage.
Saw it. Yeah, saw it.
So ó máa fi sínú resource group tiẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀. You understand? The network washer yìí is to watch the network gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti deploy àwọn resources kankan. So the resource group will be watching all the activities, all the connectivities and all of those things. A kò gbogbo ilé yẹn sí resource group kan. So the first thing just comes as a normal default. So you can delete them, It's not. But if you ever delete the cloud shell storage, you might still need to go and create that storage again. Never fail cloud shell, so just delete it. So the idea is this one to display your this thing for you.
That makes sense. Wow.
So create another resource group named test. So I think it's something you can do now.
It should be. What do you call it?
Test RG.
Let me put it let me put it where Sabi. Or I should use it as well.
I'll put it at west. Put it at west.
Succeeded.
Okay. So now display all the resource group again.
Display. This one, Abi. I think that should be new resource group training. Timati Lano and you knew. Shimogba.
So now you are going to delete that resource group. So, but before you delete, go to your Azure portal. So search resource group. So can you see now your test RG?
Really? Oh my God.
Training, understand?
Wait.
So you can see.
I want to ask you a question. This looks so easy compared to Amazon. Like it's the interface is easy. Amazon kí tó mọ bó ṣe ń create lásán. Ikú mú bọ́ sí tòsí. All I need to do now is I need to keep practicing now.
That is why I'm saying.
I need to start practicing now. So.
So now switch back to
by the time I promise you, by the time we come next week, if I watch this video, you're gonna have like another test group. I mean, resource group, like 4. How much do you be?
No, resource group we can do resources.
What to do $5 no me? To share.
Machine to deploy in by.
Okay now.
So switch back to that power side. So now I've delete the training that test RG.
Okay.
So you are going to use that command. So your command 10 low. You have new AZ resource group, get AZ resource group, new AZ resource group to create something new. Get the result to show it like this. So to now delete, you now use remove AZ resource group dash name. And I will provide the name resource group.
I'm going to remove Abi.
Exactly.
Remove.
So do should be capital letter R. Or just do upper arrow key. You don't need to wait. You don't need to stress yourself. Do upper arrow key here. So remove the get and type remove. Remove. So I will see after group yes. Space dash name. So that's the you are trying to set that name. So space provide the name. Provide the no, not training RG. Test RG only can remove.
Okay. We have locations at Bank of the West. Huh?
No.
Location.
So why is this doing this to you?
Just to confirm, I want to make sure I actually know what I'm doing.
Switch back to from there now. Don't do anything. Switch back to the portal. Now pick on that training RG. And also we can delete resource group here. Click on So what is it saying now? It says enter resource group name to confirm deletion.
Deletion, yeah.
So which means you have to use your hand to type that I want to delete resource group. Which is like a second layer. The second layer kind of security. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That is why you are having that question. Why? Because normally they haven't deleted the resource group. You must be sure that because once this resource group, you cannot recover it again. at everything that you are. Yes, gbogbo project company lè wà ní resource group wọ́n wá sí delete ẹ̀ báyìí ó lọ nìyẹn. In fact,
So there's no room for more because of what I tell you. So you actually know what you are doing when you are deleting it.
You understand when you are deleting it. Then there's a third layer of security, which is this is called resource lock. If your what's you are lock in there. You want scroll down, maybe overview, activity log, IAM. You see lock there under after property.
Okay.
So you can lock your resource group. You can also lock your resources. So that anybody talk about any administrative access could delete the resources here, even either by mistake or by. So you understand? So I'm just so yeah, parasi switch parasi. So now type yes, and then should delete now. So that has been deleted.
Lock.
Machine learning. Press enter.
Machine learning. Bàbá ẹ̀ máa jókòó sí tó bá dé báyìí gbogbo ìṣètìlú mi ló scatter.
Press enter again. Why is it taking time? What's it learn?
Push it on the
Is it 11? So now run that get AZ resource group again. Just do a power. So you can see that test average is not there, right?
Training nìkan ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Yeah. So kò ní sí bí bàá mọ́ náà rẹ̀.
You can do a refresh.
Ó ti lọ tèfètèfè.
Just get now. So now let's work on so that's the partial. So now let's work on Azure CLI.
Okay.
So which one do I open? You type maybe search here. Type CMD.
Mount.
So now run as administrator. Run.
Okay, not this one.
Close.
Sorry, I think it's that one because you didn't want to look for.
You have to use it at the elevated mode. So elevated mode means administrator mode. So run as administrator. So what you now have to do is to install what we call Azure CLI.
Okay.
So that Azure CLI that be module import lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí PowerShell. But
okay.
This particular module we want to check CLI here, like a CLI agent, installer agent. That will communicate.
Okay.
So I'm going to send you a link. Automatically
ẹjọ má bínú ìjọpọ̀ rẹ̀ mi ti dé.
Okay.
ẹ ti wá ń ta bàbá hello guys please okay.
That's it. Body and time. Wow. This video trash.
Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ jẹ báyìí? Ní oúnjẹ o. Gbọ́n ẹ lè gbọ́ ẹ̀fọ́ dání. Ó lè gbé ẹja kan fún màdàmú. Ẹja bí. Ẹja ta sí ní ẹnu. Wọ́n kíka kí náà pè catfish. Yeah. Ọ̀gá mi mo bọ́ ẹ̀jọ́ máa fún ọ̀gá mi ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹgbà ó ní kinní kan síbẹ̀ tí máa ń lo Apollo ẹ wo mo install ẹ̀ sórí Fire Stick mi ni ẹ bá rí nǹkan tó ní ọmọ ní automatic update fún ẹ. Mo gbọ́ stop ṣẹ́rí Apollo TV yìí everything ló ní sórí ẹ jẹ́ kí station tó wà ẹ má bínú ẹ̀wọ̀n stations ẹ̀ no sorry. Bẹ́ẹ̀ máa subscribe o fún Apollo TV ó ní ẹ̀wù Clive TV ẹ̀ ó ní babanla channel ẹ wò US Canada ó ní Africa ẹ wò àwọn ọmọ nǹkan Cartoon Network everything ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ it's just $24 per month o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti ń wo anything movies ẹ wò ẹ gbà ẹ wá movies kẹ mú wa kíláàsì. Ọ̀gá mi ó yá.
All right, sir. Ẹ bá mi kí àwọn àlejò yín.
Ṣé fẹ́ rí wọn ní ẹlẹ́mọ̀ àwọn gan-an ọ̀dọ́ àwọn Nàìjíríà. Idris nìyẹn o. Àwọn olówó Amẹ́ríkà nìyẹn.
How are you, sir?
Okay, jẹ́ kí n gbé sí speaker gbọ́ yín.
Kí yín sà o. Okay.
Akọ tí jáde, kí n tẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ti jáde. Wọ́n ní kò dùn. Ó yá sà. Wọ́n ní kò Rotten Tomato wọ́n rate ẹ̀ low gan. Ti 10 tó jáde. Rotten Tomato rate wọ́n ní one of the worst ni. Ṣé wọ́n pé àwọn tá a mọ movie àmọ́ mọ̀. Rotten Tomato kì í ṣe good rating. Sà, ó yá sà.
Okay, sir. So we send link here. So just click on that link.
Okay. Bó jẹ́ ní. Mo ń bọ̀, mo fẹ́ wo ibi tí tá a wà. What's this symbol? You should be here. Ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú, mo wá líǹkì tá à ń lò ní o. Like this. Ṣé máa lo Bluetooth yẹn lè connect Bluetooth mọ́? Bluetooth mi dà. Ẹgbẹ́. Ẹ má disturb life. I change the Bluetooth. Mo ti connect mọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ bọ̀ ẹ máa change kíní ẹ̀ sí Bluetooth. Ẹ máa pè ẹ máa wo fíìmù ní ẹ mọ́ ẹ kàn máa lo kí ẹ mọ́ ẹ kàn máa lo ẹ má bínú mi ti wà pé mo ní kíláàsì lẹ́nu.
No problem.
Ẹ máa wo fíìmù ẹ máa lo kì ní disturb. Tí o bá ti disturb ọ̀gá mi mo gbọ́ ọ̀kan tó ń sùn. Ẹ gbà ọ̀gá mi mo wá. I'm looking for what we are actually using now. I can't seem to find it again. Àbó ti log me out ni okay. Mo ṣe wà bẹ́ẹ̀ mi.
You saying leaving? Maybe you might need to. I need to connect.
A jẹ́ pé máa ní láti. Ṣé tó fi log me out báyìí? It's logging me out.
link here. So click on that link. So Sherry, I just see like it download automatically. So show or download. LLC show or download. So show in folder. So right click and run. You need to run.
Open low and back, one back.
Click on open. Let's see.
Huh?
Click on open. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, accept. Then click on install. Click on finish. So now your CMD will be able to connect to Azure portal now. So now from your Azure portal, no, from your that CMD now, run this, copy this and run. So I click and paste. Press enter, let's go. Close that CMD and open another one from the elevated mode. Run as administrator. So now paste that thing. Right click and paste. And it goes in run. So can you see the CLI version installed? Yeah. Which one is this one now? You need to stay with the one you're using. Stay with the one that bring that one up. Can you hear me? Hello, you are muted though.
I can't hear you. I want to. No. Hold on, I'm coming. I have one that is pinned, so you ain't disturb me. So
Okay.
I've unpinned it. Then, yeah, okay.
So you can see the CLI. Say it's up to date. See the last statement. Say your CLI is up to date. Okay. So now you are going to log in into your Azure portal now using EZ login. We are copy láti you chat. Listen, you have logged in into your Azure. So close that. Now there's something I want to teach you now.
Okay.
Go back to if you paste àwọn script yẹn sílẹ̀ kan yẹn. I think you copied all those scripts out. So we want to create a resource group. Ibole fi wọ́n sí. Okay, you know what? Go to the one for PowerShell. Go to the one for PowerShell. Minimize this. Go to PowerShell.
I'm here.
So now, the PowerShell is saying, scroll down, let's create the new resources. So copy that. No. Hello, relate to test RG. Go and copy the one for test RG. You already have this training resources. So do Control C. So now go to your chat GTP. So do you know what to type now? Don't type, click on any of those ones at the side. You have a lot of, just click on any no new chat. So now, paste that script. You know, this is a PowerShell script, right? Hello, me, going you.
Yeah, move down.
You know, this is a PowerShell script, right?
Yes.
But what you want, I have the equivalent, the CLI script, the one for sending, I have it. But I also want to expand your mind in this thing that you are learning. So if you have a PowerShell script that can, so let me ask you, what does this PowerShell script, what does it do? Me looking at this PowerShell script. Let's assume your friend that just came saying, this thing you pasted, what does it do? How would you explain it to this person?
Please ask the question again.
The script you pasted here. Yes. Let's assume your friend is asking you, your friend that just came. So what does this line of script or code? How would you explain it to you?
Yeah, I will say to him that this this one is used to create a resource group in a PowerShell.
Out of three things, you only explain one thing here.
In a PowerShell of Azure of Azure interface.
Okay, I agree. But this script you are looking at has three parameters. Explain the three parameters for me.
I explained the three parameter.
There are three
Okay,
parameters here. There's a new parameter, there's a name parameter,
there's
there's a location parameter.
a different parameter.
So
So this script is used to create a resource group in Azure resource group. The resource group is which is named test, which is is a test resource group, and it's located in West US
exactly.
West US user
So
group 8Z.
this is what I was expecting you to say. Exactly. This script is used to create a new resource group named test RG as is located in West US, right?
Yes.
But it's a PowerShell script. Now,
Yeah.
you now go back to the beginning of this script. You type provide, go back to the beginning of this new script. Provide the CLI in capital, equivalent script for the script below. Do a double column. So you understand what this, you understand what you just typed.
Mm-hmm. Which one
What
is
does that
double
mean?
column? Okay.
After that below, yeah. What does this mean?
It means that you should rewrite a script in a CLL in you should write this PowerShell script in a CLI format.
So click on enter or press enter. Here you see now.
Yeah. So it's in bash.
It's in bash. So you can also say, instead of CLI, you can say bash. Do you understand?
Mm.
So the same name, the same location. So click on
So
copy code, go and run.
the only difference is the get. That one is
Exactly.
get. This one
This
is
one is
create.
AZ.
AZ group create. Okay. Get. Okay.
That's events. But you cannot run this because you are yet to set your subscription. I've already told you. That should be
Okay.
the
So I have
first.
to set my subscription right now. Here
I
again.
told you, anytime you are using any of this,
Okay.
set your subscription.
Okay.
That is not your subscription. This is a PowerShell. So you need the AZ one. Then needing the other place. There's tọ́jú ẹ̀ sí yẹn.
Mo sọ pé mo ti copy ẹ̀ sí bíbá yìí. Mo ti copy ẹ̀ ni.
Copy yẹn, ilé ilẹ̀ copy wá sí. Open the other page, by the other page. Mo nìyẹn lókè pàwọ́tà number one. We'll call it the first one. Look at that format. Azure account set. No, you have not set the subscription now. You need to copy the subscription. Copy it now. Subscription at DMO.
Subscription lele yìí.
Copy now. Look at the first line now. The first line is your bash. The second one is PowerShell. They are two different languages, right? So the first one is saying Azure account set subscription. So where's the subscription ID? If it's subscription ID, format last one. So copy this subscription ID tó wà sálẹ̀ yìí, this second one yìí, kẹ́ paste ẹ̀ síbi tó kọ́ síbẹ̀ yìí before you copy it. Do you understand?
Ó ti yé mi báyìí.
Exactly. So ẹ paste ẹ̀ sókè mẹ́rin. Ẹ paste ẹ̀ sínú bracket yìí. So remove the bracket. So I like everything now. Okay, look copy it. Let's see it.
So let me relabel it so that I'm a bit getting confused about Sunday.
No, don't be confused. Do upper arrow key. Do upper arrow key. He's saying that subscription does not exist. Allow me subscription the piece. He's saying that subscription does not exist. So your own subscription only lay by Ewo. Only lay in ibi tó instruction tó wà lókè.
Mo ti ṣe mi kọ́tọ́ ni.
Okay, copy it on.
7 yẹ kó wà ńbẹ̀. This is ẹ̀rí báyìí.
Okay, clear. I have copy tẹ́lẹ̀ 249.
I didn't put the 7. This 7.
Okay.
This last 7.
Shall I set this constitution? So now go back to your ChatGPT and go and copy that equivalent script and run it to create a resource group. So just copy like that.
Me my press enter ke. So I didn't even press enter.
Yeah, sure.
Me press enter, I just pasted it on it.
So now type AZ group list. That will now be for you to show all the AZ space group space lists.
AZ group list, abi capital AZ ni abi capital A.
No, it can be do small letter or true.
AZ clear pé.
Group, then list. Press enter. What do you notice?
There is training IG there, located in East US.
Elite creative from Anchor. The test RG query.
I to delete it.
I will create this in Loki.
Oh, okay.
Let's scroll up now. Command and run. Say ring or the run. Let's scroll up para sókè.
Oh, okay.
Test RG me like create again using that CLI script. So the one list yẹn what jáde everything what show.
Okay.
Of course you see it again.
Ilé máa ń gùn gan ṣá.
Ṣe mọ̀ pé ilé máa wá in form of JSON.
JSON, okay, JSON version, JSON script.
You understand? So my objectify one.
I cannot imagine this guy is fucking JLo. Ben Affleck.
So now
I cannot imagine this fucking JLo.
I cannot fuck JLo.
oríjèlò yẹn gan pé kí lọ mú kí lọ wọ́n rẹ̀ lẹ́wọ̀n wọ́n á lọ bá first love ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ PDP ó fẹ́ ó jọ pé ní ìdìkan ni ò kọrin bú ó kọrin bú PDP burúkú ẹ má bínú jàre.
No problem. So now ẹ padà sí AZ group list yẹn. Remove this because that AZ which was the last kidney on. Arrow down, arrow down. Okay, now so do space dash the type outputs. So what you are trying to say, you are defining a parameter that you want this list to be outputted as a table, space table. Just get scope here. Space table.
Press enter.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir.
Okay.
Just bẹ́ẹ̀
Is a group list output table. So network washer algae will create in center US. Test algae west Monikua, Clash S3 east lower. Azure policy east, training algae east Niyawa. Mommy. Yahweh. Don't make a bounce on. Oh, okay. I just saw.
No problem.
Ẹ kúrò lẹ̀ mọ́ mi ẹ ṣé o. Àmì máa ẹ ṣé wà. Àmì máa. Ẹ̀sùn ẹ ṣé gan mà. Ẹ̀dẹ̀kú ti dáàdì mi tẹ̀ tí pè yín. Ìtẹ̀bọ̀ mú rán madam sí yín ṣá. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ ṣé gan mà. God bless you ma. I'm for sure. All right, ẹ ṣé gan mà. Ẹ gbà sà. All right ma. Láàmú.
So ẹ wo chat mo send nìkan sí.
Okay.
Ẹ delete yẹn. Ẹ paste rate mo send sí. So clear notice.
Make you paste it.
Check the other one. Kí ló ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sìn? Kí ló filter gbogbo table yẹn? Ó gbé only one table jáde which is training algae.
Okay, group place query. Name equals training algae.
Do upper arrow key. Now in front of this, do space. Dash query. Sorry. Dash output.
Output.
Yeah. Then table.
Space table abi just table.
Yeah, space table. So clear fi pé script yìí sí tẹ type times ẹ wo script yìí clear fi pé ó ń try láti sọ.
So ó máa list the training with HJGB list query output as table. Ó máa list the other one as table.
Press enter.
Yes.
Yeah. So let me quickly share my screen so I can do the test.
Ẹjọ ní sùúrù sà. Jẹ́ fọ́gà mi lálẹ́. Ṣé kí n pín lẹ́jà ẹja ẹ̀ dry ìkọ̀kẹ́ fi panu? Ẹ̀jẹ̀jà. Ẹyọ ń jẹjà mímí ìjà tí màá fi mú. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lásán máa rẹ̀. Ó dùn bàjẹ́. Ó sí ọ̀sùn. Àbí kí n kó ṣiṣẹ́ ìkọ́jẹ́ máa tó ẹ̀kọ́ jẹ. Báwo ìjà òkú ní wà? My skin actually is very dry. One. I should have. Oh yeah, Sam, today.
All right, can you see my screen?
Yes. I need to go back to the screen. Okay. Which of the following is not about the cloud share? Authenticate. Huh? Pause it for me. Which of the following is not true about cloud share? Cloud share authenticates automatically for instant access to your resources. Cloud share is assigned multiple machines per user account. Provide both bash and PowerShell section. PowerShell section. It's not true. PowerShell will produce bash and power. No. No. Well, I don't think it's this one actually. Authenticates automatically for Kilefe. Mi ò mú àmì mọtí ìṣẹ̀bẹ̀ fẹ́ mọ̀ pé mi mọtí. Omi mi kan ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ ni. Kí ni mò ń lò sí? Dispenser tí òun ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ sí. Ẹ lè bù dání o. Ṣẹ́gbọ́. Ọ̀rẹ́ àti ìgbọ̀n fẹ́ fún dẹ̀ ní iṣu wà lẹ́yìn mọ́tò mi. Ẹ fẹ́ kí sínú máa jiná pápápá o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé rice sínú rice cooker, ó máa jiná kẹ́ tó lọ. Ẹ lè bù dání tẹ́ bá ń lọ. Ẹ fi jẹ rice. Baba. I think cloud share is assigned multiple machines per user account. I think cloud share is not true. Cloud share automatically authenticates automatically for instant access to your resources. It's not automatic. Is cloud share automatic? No. Automatic authenticate, but it's not part of it. It's not part of it. So I think it's C.
Are you sure you understand what they are asking you?
Which of the following is not true about the cloud shell? CLI ní cloud shell tá a ṣe ṣetán yìí now.
Are you sure that is cloud shell? Are you sure you know cloud shell?
Oh, cloud shell ni wait oh. Wait no. Come in. CLI la ṣe ṣetán yìí náà ní cloud shell. This is PowerShell lele PowerShell ló ní both bash and cloud shell ló ní bash àti kíní lóòótọ́. Yes, that is the answer. That's not the answer. But my answer.
I'm happy you said that.
That's not the answer. My answer is cloud shell is assigned multiple machine per user account. Multiple machine per user account. Can you use multiple machine? No. The answer is C. I mean B. Mo gbà now.
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tẹ́tí repent.
I'm not going to ṣẹlẹ̀. I almost got confused, right? Because mo authenticating is part of it. But the not yẹn gangan ni mi tètè rántí. So I know you can use one share per person.
But one thing is that number one, you don't do any authentication on your cloud shell.
That's what I'm saying.
You don't do any only in by. To say no authentication kan tá a ṣe. The only thing tó bá tí ẹ máa ṣe ni pé ẹ máa wá sí ìgbà ìyẹn á dẹ̀ pick ẹ̀ ṣe bó lélẹ̀. You don't need to do authentication. Orí ti machine, local machine lẹ ti máa authenticate àbí. So if I'm using this cloud shell, hello.
Yes, I'm here. I have this too. Ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́. Èní kan rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Accident mo ní people are just coming to greet me. Ẹ má bínú. Yeah. I'm here now.
So as you can see, only one person can use it. You cannot use it. You must sign into my Azure portal to use this particular one. So that's what they are also saying. Of course, your cloud shell provide bash script and PowerShell. So once you hear, you can see it has both bash and PowerShell. So why would you say no at first instance? So our question about easy for answer. So the next question.
You are managing Azure local. You are managing Azure locally using PowerShell.
What do you mean by locally?
Locally. You are managing by. That means you are using it on your laptop. You are not using it in the cloud.
Okay.
You have launched the app as run as an administrator. Which of the following command could you do first? Connect to get to subscription. First of all, you connect to your account before you get your subscription. Connect is the first answer.
Okay. Can see that
now. That one is
okay.
easy. I can explain all the three.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe class yìí ṣé wọ́n ṣe máa mọ̀ ní. Class parí tán sí. No, it's because you have gone through the class.
Yeah, náà ni mo sọ kò easy fún àwọn tí àwọn olú ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó jókòó sẹ́gbẹ́ mi báyìí. Ó lè bá wọn lẹ́wọ̀n sọ̀rọ̀ wọn kò lè bá kọ̀ǹpútà sọ̀rọ̀.
Ṣé wọ́n dà ní wọ́n ni?
Olórí ẹlẹ́wọ̀n ni.
Wàhálà.
Ẹlẹ́wọ̀n tó lówó lọ́wọ́. Ẹ mọ mọ́tò tọ́rẹ́ mi ń lò ní. Camry 2009. Camry 2009 lọ́rẹ́ mi lò kò fẹ́ ra mọ́tò mi.
Ẹ ṣàfọwọ́ ẹ̀fọ́ láyé ọ̀rọ̀.
Àwọn oníkófó láwọn wà ó yá.
The next question.
Which of the following, what do you need to install on your computer to execute CLI? I just say that command locally. Select one. Cloud Shell ni.
Look at that
I
question.
think
Very
it's
good.
on CLI command locally. Select one. And now, what do you need to install? Azure CLI Lama install now. No, Azure CLI. Azure CLI Lama install.
Which option?
Only the CLI. Only.
Which option?
See, only the CLI.
So next question.
Which parameter can you add to most CLI command to get formatted out? Formatted. CLI command to get coincides. Which parameter can you add to most CLI commands to get coincides formatted? That is, formatted is stable. Stable. Stable is talking about output. I think I get it. Yeah. It's stable.
No.
What needs to be installed on your machine to let you execute Azure PowerShell command locally? Select one. What do you need to install on your machine? The PowerShell tá kọ́kọ́ ṣe. The PowerShell la ṣe. I want to go and jolly. So PowerShell delay. Anything with Modo. See, the PowerShell product and the Azure modules. I remember we were talking about the modules actually.
Anything we would. No.
I remember you spoke about the modules. So
Okay. So last one.
suppose you are building a video editing application that will offer online storage for user.
Lily Koluku can 100%.
Suppose you are building a video editing application that will offer online storage for user-generated video content. You will store the videos in Azure blobs. So you need to create an Azure storage account to contain the blobs. Once the storage account is in place, it is unlikely you could remove and recreate it because this can delete all the user video. Which tool is likely to offer the quickest and easiest way to create the storage account? Select one. Once the storage account is in place, it is unlikely you will remove and recreate it because this could delete all the user's video. It is unlikely you will remove and create and recreate it because it would decrease which tool is unlikely to offer the quickest and easiest way to create the storage account. Select one. Azure Portal, Azure Cell, Azure PowerShell. This easiest way that you create, so you cannot delete it. You could remove. It's unlikely you will remove and create it because you could delete all the video. I will use Azure CLI. Me, I don't know it too, but I will use. I will just.
Yeah, understand question on be.
Suppose you are building a video editing application that will offer online storage for user-generated video content. You will store the videos in Azure blobs. So you need to create an Azure storage. That is the job. Account storage, Azure storage. You need to have, I think it's PowerShell, because you can remember, yeah, I was asking you for storage the other time. I think it's Azure PowerShell.
You don't understand what they're asking. Are you sure you understand that?
Yeah, now it's
Hope you
once
know
the storage
that
account is in place, it is
the
unlikely.
question is which tool is likely to offer the quickest and the easiest way to create storage accounts.
It's
All
Azure PowerShell
those,
that was
all the
asking you to
three,
create.
all the three can create. You can use all the three to create resources. But which one is the quickest? Based on a condition that already you are building a video editing application.
It's Azure
And this application,
PowerShell. Wait,
okay.
wait. Don't pick it yet. Which one is this? Cloud Shell. That is Cloud Shell, right? It's Azure CLI.
Okay.
You know?
Final answer.
Wait, wait. I'm kind of Azure PowerShell. Azure CLI. I know it's not Azure Portal is it's not fast at all. It's slow there. Eré tá a ṣeré, Rẹ̀mí kò ní ìyá, ẹ̀gbọ́n eléré bọ́ọ̀lù, ó dàbò Káyọ̀dé. Azure PowerShell. Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell. Seriously, give me a little explanation about the question. Let me know so that I can pick my answer.
No, it's easier now. It's a wish to look at the condition.
He
The
said
whole
it's
condition
here.
to attach in the creation of
This
that
my
story.
teacher. When you
Look at the
open your Azure,
condition.
it's
These
Azure
are the
CLI.
life scenario.
The
It's
answer
the
is
life
Azure CLI.
scenario.
The
If you
answer
are
is
choosing
Azure
Azure
CLI.
scenario, so we go to Azure
The answer is
scenario.
Azure CLI. Azure Portal. Because it will ask you
Look
to
at
forward and type it.
no, look at this. Look at this. Look at the situation. This is a messed up scenario. Look at it now. You understand? You are creating, suppose you are building a video app application. You are not building an application using the CLI or PowerShell. You are building the application already in the portal, right?
Online.
Then you are not going to store the videos or whatever the content inside Azure Blob. Azure Blob is like your hard drive. Your portal, but you must create an account to access that hard drive. Now, the condition is saying that, so you now need to create an Azure storage to contain the, no problem. You can use CLI to create the storage. You can use PowerShell to create the storage. You can use Azure Portal to create the storage, right? But they are saying that once you create this storage, once the storage account is in place, it is unlikely you would remove or recreate it because this will delete all the users' videos. So which tool is the quickest and the easiest? The easiest way is to go to Azure Portal and type storage account and create it. Yeah. I was trying to point you to it to say the quickest and the easiest way.
And you imagine storage account is always I'll just look for storage account and just say create. God damn it.
Exactly. So if I tell
Instead
you
of
now
looking
that
for the past
pẹ̀lú bẹ́ẹ̀
three,
ṣe ṣe
instead of looking for the
bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe CLI àti PowerShell ní ìbáyìí, can you create, yeah, give me the script to create virtual machine?
That's what I'm saying.
Exactly. You have to go and be googling, go and be doing AI charts to get to know, okay, these are the scripts. But meanwhile, if you go to the portal, you have to create virtual machine, create it, go your way. Understand?
So
That's
last
what I'm
time
going
gba
to
90 mo tún gba 90. And 90 is A now.
Okay.
Ẹ wò sá, ṣé ẹ̀ ní bínú?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Can attend the sorry mini?
Yeah, okay, no problem. You want us to end the classes? Yeah.
About the fellow, Papa. Said she won't be having. Jẹ́ ká ṣì máa ṣe lọ, ó ṣì ń wo fíìmù lọ, tó máa wo fíìmù ọ̀tán.
Okay. So we also look at the ARM template. Your ARM template is basically your JSON script. Okay. So basically your JSON script. So what your ARM template has is like this. I already showed you. You already know what those things have.
This is the type. This is what you gave me now. The assignment.
So your ARM template can have a string, can have a number, can have a Boolean expression. What is the Boolean expression?
The parentheses, right?
No, when an expression is called Boolean, what does it mean? It means it's a yes or no expression, yes or no expression, or true or false. Do you understand? True or false expression.
Okay.
Yeah. So ARM templates. Basically, there are no. There's another template called biceps. You know, it's called biceps. There's another template. It looks like that of JSON to create resources. So there's not much to that. Okay. No station.
Egba kò ní caption. Táà ní ṣe knowledge check yẹn ni.
Okay. Basically, which of the following is not an element of the template schema?
Functions. She is input. Which of the following best describe the format of Azure Resource Manager template? Select one. JSON documents.
The last one.
Azure Resources Management templates are indemponent nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
Yeah, so what it means is that you can use it to redeploy the same model over and over again. Okay. As manager won't make any changes to the project. So let's go to the serious work. I'm just talking about that. So let's work on this. Let's work on this template.
Okay.
So maybe the work really can be lost. So check your chart.
Okay. You can click on.
Yes, click on it. Share your screen so that I can.
Okay.
So you can read it out. I might need to read it so that.
Now, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Lab O3B, manage Azure resource by using ARM template. Student manual, lab scenario. Now that you explore the basic Azure administrative capabilities associated with provisioning resources and organizing them based on resource group by using the Azure portal, you need to carry out the equivalent tasks by using Azure Resource Manager templates. Note: an interactive lab simulation is available. Okay. In this lab, you task 1. Review an ARM template for deployment of an Azure managed disk. 2. Create an Azure managed disk by using an ARM template. ARM is Azure Resource Management Manager, right?
Yes, correct. It's a
Okay.
model of deployment.
Okay. Task 3. Review the AR. Ẹgbẹ́ pẹ̀lú sílẹ̀ o. Má fọwọ́ lé mi o. Review the ARM template based deployment of the ARM template based deployment of the managed disk. So estimated time is 20 minutes. Activation diagram. Eléyìí náà ṣáà máa ń lò ṣáàntì tiwọn. This name Azure 043 resource group 1. Exercise: sign into your Azure portal. In the Azure portal, search and select resource group. In the resource list group, click Àtìlẹ́yìn Ìtẹ́lẹ̀.
So just pick it up the resource group. So you don't need to create a resource group called Arizona. Yeah. So click on all those ones, either test or training, and refresh this place. You see. So you can click on training and work on it.
So they said on the resource blade in the setting section, click deployment. On the deployment blade, click the first entry in the list of deployments. There's no anything here.
On the review
On
and
deployment,
template for deployment of Azure disk.
click the first element in the list of the, but there is no deployment here.
Go back to the instruction. Let's check. Click the first entry of the list of deployment. Okay, now let's pull up to the top. Let's see if there's an instruction. No. Okay, water. Hold that here. Hold that here. Scroll down, sir. Scroll down a little. Scroll down. Hello, see tax 2. Go to tax 2, please. Okay. Scroll down. The idea is you're supposed to use a particular template. That template is not provided for you.
No memory break.
Let's scroll down.
4 years. Been an obstacle to me for too long, Lord. This was dropped off at division headquarters. Boom. Awesome.
I don't know. Let me see. I've seen it's
That's why we
really
felt.
something similar to that before.
And he took his missing daughter. Used my own brain against me. Get you to remember where you hid. Believe it or not, your daughter is going to reach her full potential. Who is that daughter?
C'est pas long, Fabo.
Click on this second link to paste it.
Let's go. No.
There's a second link to paste.
Ah,
So there's a template here.
second,
There's a second link to paste in Lori chat, Lori Teams chat.
okay.
Just click on it.
Okay.
Scroll down. So look for virtual machine with RDP ports. Okay, Luma, virtual machine with RDP ports. That's it. Only here. Virtual machine with the RDP ports. Only here. So click on it. Exactly. So wait. So click on deploy to Azure. Deploy to Azure.
Huh? Get ready for number 13. I'll never take
So template in so you can supply those information. Or go back, but one arrow. Deploy to Azure. Go back one arrow. No, go back one more arrow.
Now it's too late to get back what you were.
Go back again.
Ice one in freezer.
Why is it not going back?
I will have to double go back.
Will you go back? Click on the close it. Close this Azure portal. Close that. So click that link again. So look for virtual machine with RDP port. So click on it. So double duplicate. So now click virtualize here. Visualize.
Get it. Just tell me where she is.
So this is like the map of what it's going to create for you. You understand?
Okay, bí
So
kíní
now,
lélẹ́yìn bí Jason script tá bá ti ṣe kíní lórí iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tá máa lọ test lórí Jason test and deploy. Okay.
so click on file. Maybe okay. So you can download the template. Open local template. Okay. No. Click on file. Click on file. Yeah, download template. So you can open template from there. Click on it from there.
Where's your wife?
Click on it. You go open straight.
Where's your daughter?
No, just click on it.
Have you ever been in love? I don't know.
Go
Just
open
click on it. You double click on it now.
Right up.
It's not opening.
All right.
Go to the file. Go to the file. Go to that file explorer. Right click. Open with. Open with. You're going to ship a notepad. Choose another app. Click your notepad or Visual Studio. Use Visual Studio Code. Click always.
Go open.
Yeah, open. What's your
Okay, hold on.
machine? A máa lo kí ni Visual Studio Code enough for DevOps nìyẹn. Àwa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. So go to template JSON. Ònìyẹn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ not the release. Ṣẹ́tìrì. You know this is what you usually see on Azure portal.
Yeah.
So now these are the JSON scripts now. Here you can supply the VM name, the name of the VM, admin username, Azure user or admin user, then password, the password for the administrator account of the new VM. Ṣẹ́tìrì bó ṣe define gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. So gbogbo script yìí template yìí sìn ló pump into Azure lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ̀. Ṣé ti understand?
Okay.
Because mo fẹ́ kẹ́ rí nìyẹn. Ṣé ti rí? So really sìn you can begin to edit this one to use it to create different machines.
Wow.
So really sìn tẹ́ bá edit ẹ̀ dáadáa tẹ́ bá copy ẹ̀ ẹ̀rí kó pọ̀. So imagine ordinary machine lẹ̀ lélẹ̀ yìí o just the virtual machine lẹ̀ fẹ́ create sí adúrú kan tó. So now you know so tẹ́ bá copy lè sìn tẹ́ bá gbé lọ sí CLI yín ó máa rán. Or tẹ́ bá gbé lọ PowerShell yín ó máa rán. Ṣé you get ó máa rán.
Yeah.
But basically you know your JSON is your bash. Tẹ́ bá copy ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá gbé lọ sí bash yín ó máa rán. But tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lo PowerShell ẹ máa convert ilé sí ẹ máa ní kó fún yín ní PowerShell equivalent. You understand?
Okay.
So orí ẹ̀ padà lọ sí second ní GTP. So now deploy to Azure now. Click on deploy to Azure. No, don't worry, don't come here.
Deploy to Azure, abi?
Ben. So now you can create resources from here.
Create.
No, now supply informations now. You have not supplied the resource
Oh.
group. You must supply information. Our information yẹn ló yẹ kẹ́ supply. Click on training RG. Our information yẹn ló yẹ kẹ́ supply nínú kíní tí mo fi hàn yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn. You understand? But àwọn obìnrin náà ló wá ń gbé wá fún yín sí pé you should supply by yourself. Click on resource group, then click on training RG. Don't go anywhere now. This is where you are now. There's a resource group can be by under subscription.
Yeah.
Click on training RG. So scroll down. So change the VM name, change the username and password.
Can
put anything for.
Well, if you train VM now.
Yes. So put your admin username. And password. Hello, use the username and password you have been using. Don't come and use training user.
Nigeria 2022
not the username, not the password. Use your normal username that you have been using, because you will forget this one.
What have I been using?
Username. Imagine click on that Kunlosh.
Okay, me my content son.
So you don't start looking for username and password.
Yeah, that's okay.
So change the RDB port. Change the RDB port to 3389. Okay, goes to location, just group name, standard, data center, Azure. Go to review plus create.
This one or this one?
Oh, we need the DNX. So go back to the under region here. Yeah? You can put Kunlosh there. Where you are DNS label, yes. Type Kunlosh. So go to next, review plus create.
This one or this one?
Next. Review, yeah. We click on create.
Subnet. Subnet. It's creating.
Oh yeah, it's creating. Sheradu resources to create.
Balancer man jẹ kini. Load balancer man jẹ nǹkan.
Sheradu resources. Create storage account no.
Create VNet.
Public address. Network group. Load balancer.
I think.
So from tomorrow, you start working on a virtual network.
Okay, sir.
So àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wọ ibi tó ti lé nìyẹn o, ẹ má jẹ́ parọ́ fún yàn. Virtual network lé.
Virtual network ilẹ̀ tí ń dẹ́rù bà mí láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀.
Àná tẹ́lẹ̀
Kí lè súnra
ṣe máa súnra kì bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa láti expose mind yín to a new dimension of training and a new level of new concepts. There are concepts tó máa new sí yín because networking generally ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ networking generally. So you understand? Since then, she networking with. So you must understand the physical network, the virtual network. So man, you understand? So imagine if you need to understand IP addressing. So you have to really be willing to open your mind to learn it. So YORUBA past question. You know, there was a particular question you answered. You said, I remember you said something about Azure PowerShell module. So it was because you were paying attention, you were attentive. And they should get question. If not, if you were not that. So why we train, we say a lot of things in passing. If it's not recorded, but because it's recorded, one can always go back. But when we are recording now, it's almost like 2.5 hours. For you to now sit down again and say you want to watch 2.5 hours video or 3 hours video, you have to be very intentional about it. You understand?
All right.
So just put your mind at it that we are really going to learn a new concept entirely. So it's like at Paris, anything fundamental in Azure. Anything fundamental. Àṣẹfẹ́ wọ nǹkan tó ń pè lájọ kankan sí as in our concept to conk. So virtual machine, virtual network, virtual machine, then storage, file share, file sync, then Kubernetes. But once you have pure understanding of these things that I'm telling you about, you are good to go.
All right, sir.
So go to resource group. Sherry should create a whole resource group for Google to deploy.
Yes.
Click on go to resource group. So, kilo resource group, yeah. Okay, training
resource group. Training resource group.
So, what do you do there? Who create a storage account? Who create load balancer? Create public IP. Create virtual network. Create network security. Create virtual machine. Create the network interface.
Create a disk, you know.
So we need to be sure that your machine is not running, you know. If not, so click that virtual machine, that training VM. You need to be sure. So it's running. So connect to this machine first.
It's running now.
Connect to your machine. Let's see. You don't need to come there now. Go back to overview. I already told you, copy the public IP address here. If it all cost like by.
Oh, that's true.
Don't click on public IP address. So how do you now connect? Come to your normal physical machine, type RDP. Come to your physical machine, Sally. Search for RDP. If there's in search, normally there's in search with laptop. Lórí laptop. Please, can you go back to that virtual machine? Click on remove desktop connection. Click on remove desktop connection. To paste, do Ctrl V. Just do Ctrl V. You let me copy. Let me copy nǹkan mi. Ẹ padà sí training VM ní kẹ́ lọ copy. Okay.
That is the problem. I cannot remember my password.
Which password? What is the username and password that you use for that machine?
I can't remember it.
How would you say you cannot remember it? I was still correcting you right there when you were creating it.
I don't know what I used. Hold on.
You can't even connect to that machine.
You say?
While you were creating that account, remember you were using Nigeria as 2022 now?
No, I did not use Nigeria 2022. I used Kunlosh to Gbewa.
Okay, rántí password tó wà lọ́dà Kunlosh. So ìgbà tẹ́yìn fẹ́ sign in ṣé yín type Kunlosh síbẹ̀? Níbi RDP yẹn ṣe type Kunlosh síbẹ̀?
Ṣé bíbá ẹ?
Ṣé ẹ̀yin type Kunlosh síbẹ̀? Kunlosh tó wà níbi ìdáná.
Kunlosh kan ni password, Kunlosh ni orúkọ.
Username. So show me the username that says Kunlosh here now.
Kò sí.
Now you said somebody should be bearing Kunlosh. You are using Adekunle Oshin to sign it. So jọra wọn.
But Kunlosh ló gbé wá ni.
You get the consequence. Use a different account. So you didn't even specify that Kunlosh. By default, orúkọ yín ló gbé wá, fún èmi ló gbé wá. So use that Nigeria at 2020 kì í tẹ̀ wọ́n lè. Ibo nìyẹn tún lọ wá.
Ìpè ọmọ ibi tó lọ.
Ẹ lọ pick out yẹn sàlẹ̀, pick out yẹn. Don't close that. Ó wà sàlẹ̀, ó ní last icon bí lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan. The last icon here, yes. Ó ní yẹn now. Verify that's the correct username and password.
Yeah.
Click on yes.
It would help the world explore the uncomfortabilities of human life. The division realized that many power could transform society, not to unlock human potential, but to force people to do what they were told.
Ó ti dé o, ọmọ ọlá. Kí lẹ sọ?
Níṣẹ́ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sìn.
Yeah, so I mean, mo ṣe mistake.
Click on yes.
The only way to escape India is bring them all together, destroy the division.
So taba any time, one of the things we make a share ni pé we create server. If we create server instance, this particular server. If we create server instance, this server will become what we call your domain controller. Okay. So I'm gonna promote maybe kunleoshin.com or the name of your maybe akimakesta.com. You might create the other virtual machines. I want to join the more server. So no matter all of them must be speaking to this machine before they can log in. There's a lot that we can do. All of one time, ní àkókò yìí. It's a whole lot. So eléyìí sìn, tẹ bá fẹ́ ṣe rí nǹkan tẹ sign sí ìsìn. Is the whole course on its own. Server administration. Tẹ bá ń gbọ́ server. Tẹ bá gbọ́ server ìwọlé ẹ̀. Then Microsoft server lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Tẹ bá gbọ́ server. Microsoft server lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Tẹ bá lo Linux rí. Another server here. This is Linux operating system. This is Windows operating server. Windows server lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Ṣé rí configuration ilé báyìí? Ṣé rí because ẹ̀kan máa rí nìyẹn ẹ̀kan tẹ̀ ní rí ẹ̀sìn òjò normal interface nǹkan tẹ̀ ń lò. Ṣé máa rí wọn? So this is all the computers, all the users, all in fact a lè ṣe configuration lórí server yìí kẹ́ má lè login torí àjọpọ̀tà yín mọ́ nǹkan tẹ̀ download.
Wow.
Yeah. This you are looking at a very powerful OS level. Very powerful OS. There's a specialized training on its own. This one was good with server administration. So in fact, this is where I actually started my own IT career. Before we now move into why pay normal machine, normal server in 3 hours. Server actually load. So the computer open because you need a dedicated physical machine. The one that the CPU ńlá báyìí fún àwọn kìíní tẹ̀wọ́n náà.
Okay.
So please minimize this. You need to go and shut down this machine so that we don't join you. Because I don't think they've set. No, just minimize it. Minimize it at the top. Maybe 20.1 is the blue line here. Minimize it. So go back to the Azure portal. Maximize your Azure portal. Go to your Azure portal.
No.
So go back to that. Refresh that training. This thing. Open this training. This thing. And locate it to show training VM. Yeah, maximize it. So I see by this side, that side pane. Come to configuration. Scroll down. Only see. Níbo walking yẹn, ẹ máa rí auto shutdown. Yes. Click on. So click on enable. Ṣé kí wọ́n enable ẹ̀? So supply 10 o'clock your own time. Because I think that you are around 9 past my right. If it's 12 here, just turn that 12 to 10. Don't tap out with anything. Turn that 2 to 1. That 2 to no, just type 10 now like that. So AM yes, so the PM, capital letter P. So this time zone, that's your time zone, -5.
Yeah.
So click on send notification before to shut down. Click on yes. Don't worry. If we pass no, whichever one be the if we pass no. So go and save at the top. So automatically to the 10 o'clock time is one shut down for. Okay, so I've come to the end of today's class. So by the grace of God, tomorrow we start virtual network.
Hey, this one that you have scared me now, I should be running away.
I know you need to. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying. That IP, you need to know how IP. I'm not lying.
Let me show you something. Okay. I have some things here. During my IP. Mo ní tó fi máa ń disconnect tó fi máa ń get IP kìíní kan. Let me see. Ṣé mi ti delete ẹ̀ ṣá? I guess I've deleted it.
Kí ló máa fi ń ṣe?
Wọ́n fi generate IP.
Wọ́n fi ń generate subnet kì í ṣe IP.
The subnet ni.
Subnet ló máa jẹ́.
Subnet IP yà. Ó jẹ́ pé mo ti delete ẹ̀.
So you'll be looking at variable VSLM,
Okay, only
CRD.
watch only only.
Virtual visual subnet. Oh no, kí mo sọ? Ṣé mi sọ pé subnet lẹ́ẹ̀kan?
Yeah, only that's it.
Ẹ ní ìdí gbogbo eléyìí tí wọ́n máa fi kọ́ yín tán orílẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa ṣe. Orílẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa calculate, trust me.
Oh, okay.
So how is the training going so far?
All going so far except today. Kí má parọ́ tèmi ilé.
Tèmi ilé. Wait till you get to tomorrow. Calculate it funny. Wait till you get to tomorrow.
I'm doing tomorrow from home too, so.
I hope there will be lesser.
Yes. Yeah.
Because to be sincere, you really need to open your mind tomorrow. Because I'm going to be learning a lot.
That's why I do by learning so that at least tomorrow I know.
I guess.
And for the YG. All right, sir.
All right, sir.
Can you let me keep madam? We want to don't release you for
yeah, thank you, sir.
All right, sir.
Bye, sir. So let
Okay,
me
sir. Good night. Happy night rest. Yeah.
All right, sir.
Do not think you're late, Daddy.